Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove objects from a video in CapCut PC. It's quite tricky to do because you'll need a lot of keyframes and you'll need the frame to be a little bit bigger. So in this video we're going to remove the dolphin. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, that's so sad, I know, but it's just an example. Go to mask and select the rectangle one, and we're going to get the mask from like a different part of the video, so on this side. Go back to basic and we're just going to enlarge that a little bit to cover it up. Go back to mask and we're going to feather it out to kind of blend it in. We do have to like keyframe it a lot, like that, but as you can see, like, okay, maybe like here we're going to add a lot of keyframes here because like here you can see it again. We're just going to play around with it. I think it's a little bit better if your object is not as big as mine. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can like remove objects. Maybe if we use this one, it'd be a little bit easier. So again, go to rectangle, but go to like a different part of your video here maybe. And then go back to basic. I would just scale it up quite a lot. Go back to mask and feather it. Here, I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller and scale that up by a lot. And as you can see, it removed the object. It is easier when your background is just like one color. But here, you're going to want to keyframe it because you'll be able to see that still, or you can scale it up just a little bit more, like that. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. This is the before, this is the after. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.